On Wednesday, Cabinet Minister Bante Dorlingdo had offered his views on the central government's recent announcement that Hindi as a subject should be made compulsory for students till class 10 in all schools in northeast India. Speaking to newspersons, Bante Dorlingdo informed that till date there has been no official communication from the central or state government in making Hindi a compulsory subject for students in the northeastern states of the country. He added that in a recent PDF party meeting, the Central Executive Committee has decided to oppose this particular move by the central government. At the same time, Lingdo felt that what is more important is the inclusion of Khasi language in the 8th schedule of the Indian Constitution. He also opined that a community dies if its language is dead.
Statement by the Honorable Union Minister Sarkar India mo ba yaka tininding pelong compulsory no agni North Eastern State kata bangi I tambah adu mentat na kalian komen ng pagyasoban ng inyo no bulong jito belong official din ray nakalian ka jongi ismo bangidon lang komen nakalian ka party nilay long jalang ngi la isim ya karai ba ya ni dan lalu minum lah berpediak namar la dakaja na kaktin mur keraja aja den riru den ray kita buat kibakwa ban keren hindi ta kata ta gede kaktin da election sunuru mo nang nang kaktin ga bang bah tambahan ray ngingi kwa syo ba kene kaktin ke jongi baka di ban im kedi ban long beruspa lina ta kadaw ni persya ndai ke bang ikwa angi kalau baka government of India bahkan itu no ya kaktin jongi ban perlu ko constitution ichidul nang bangin yo ban penon kam nomor kaktin jongi de beruspa ta ta hakata ka jingi song jongi ke jelang bangilong na jelang jong si jong parti jongi ke PDF bangi lai rai pat no bangi ha ban persya ba ya ni nimlah priang ya ni ka ban penbor mo mlah ban penbor ino ino pi ban penbor ba pin ong ba pia ban kran dan kaktin tong ano kata ka dei ka jingi song bakalin jongi parti ban gini.
On approaching the Chief Minister on the matter, Bante Dorlingdo informed that the PDF will meet Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma and also submit a written communication to him to state his party's rejection of the mandatory inclusion of Hindi subject from classes 1 to 10 in all schools within the state of Meghalaya.
Kani kadai si bentar kadai ke bangi lai kran dengan kong ipi ngin sahab lai kendu yu Chief Minister officially nakaliang parti bani kran alor kani tindri mentau Chief Minister undak tin lawan mo ngidai kendu bani kran alor kani kadang makan kamsha ingin yo bani kran lang ngidon lang apo jong government mo ipi idon kam bani sha idon kam bani kran lang kadang nak bentar ke jimen toy jong ki nong shong nong apo ka state ko ye ke jong